Where's my bag?
Hi, Mike.
Hey there, Fränz. This is pretty amazing. First day of spring.
Yo.
Where are we?
Where are we? In Luxembourg again.
But what's that village right
Look, isn't that flight 3447? One of both.
I think 347B.
Ah,
That's
okay.
what I see.
Okay, it's not ours. Not the Malaysian Airlines.
Ooh. That's a scary story.
Yeah.
So we're in this beautiful farm area between
Gras and Klein Bettingen.
Gras
Gras
and Klein.
Bettingen.
That must be small something?
Klein is, yeah, small.
Okay.
And Bettingen, don't know what Bettingen means.
Okay. I'll take your word for it. But this is just absolutely beautiful. We are on one of the many paved cycle paths here in Luxembourg. Fränz, this is your first ever road ride, with me anyway. First road ride
In the universe.
in the universe.
Universal?
How are you feeling? Are you liking it? Or are you waiting, you can't wait to sell the road bike you just bought?
Is it 6 o'clock? That's the question I asked you most tonight.
Yeah, because 6 o'clock was going to be your turnaround time.
Yeah,
when
right.
you didn't have to ride anymore, right?
No, it's okay. It's okay for the first time. We have a little bit to adjust the bike, but I think the rest is fine.
Yeah. I mean, on a day like today, why, I don't want to be in the forest. It's just great to be out here among the tractors. There's some heavy-duty tractor action going on. I mean, look at this thing come down here. He wants us to get out of the way, I think. And then you got those two out there, way out there. Well,
I suppose your American friends have never seen so small tractors.
I really am not aware of tractor size. That's what she said. But I mean, you got something there. You got that thing up there. Like, it's got lights on. Do they do this at night too?
Yeah, of course.
And what are they doing?
They bring the Maschtepull out.
The marshmallows? These are the marshmallow fields of Luxembourg?
Not marshmallow. The Maschtepull.
Maschtepull.
Don't you remember? You remember what it is?
Yeah, it's the thing I posted today.
Yeah, exactly. That's Maschtepull they bring out.
Now, why is our car on this? I thought this was supposed to be a cycle.
Whoa. Yeah, except for cars
I take
driving.
that back.
It's except cars that drive more than 100k. All the others are forbidden here.
I think that guy's full of Maschtepull.
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 Yeah, it's a Maschtepull hat.
How did you like the poem that I wrote? Did you read it?
Yeah.
What'd you think?
I felt like crying.
It was really romantic and beautiful, wasn't it? There's a hawk. Shall we sign off on the hawk?
You can't
It's a little
see
falcon.
it with this.
You can't see it.
You can't see it with your terrible lens. But by the way, the terrible Sonnenuntergang.
Who's got a sonogram? Ah, the sunset.
The sunset, right? Sorry.
We do a sonogram of that sunset.
Ah, it's terrible. I like it. So, Mike, see you next time.
Salut, bis.
Next
Next
Kaya.
Kaya. Oh, I'm in too big a gear.
Also ganz einer da ist gesagt, du wirst jetzt schon geckig hast schon, da ist ein Mike. Aber das ist aber ein feiner Kerl. Ich schlage nach gerne mit dem. Ciao!